patient, suffer. Okay, let's talk about patient. Going to use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed, that's my dominant hand. Going to make an A from the alphabet. Go like this, fingers together, fingers down, thumb alongside. We're going to use the back part of the thumb. We're going to start here at our bottom lip. We're just going to go straight down. Patient. Now, it might be helpful to have a patient, calm look on your face. Patient. Patient. Rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Okay, we talked about patient. Let's talk about suffer. Okay, exact same hand shape, A, right? Back of the thumb, we're going to use that as well. Start at our bottom lip, and we're going to go down, but this time we're going to be twisting as we go down. Suffer. Aha, my facial expression. Also notice we don't have a neutral facial expression anymore. It's like sad, it's suffering. All right, so we go like this. Suffer. Suffer. Rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Okay, let's compare these signs. Well, similar, exact same hand shape, A. We're going to use the back of the thumb for both. And we're going to start at our bottom lip for both. And we're going to go down for both. But now we're going to differ. So patient just goes straight down with a calm look on your face. Patient. And suffer, you're going to put a facial expression like you're in pain. It's unfortunate you're suffering. And then as the thumb goes down, it's going to wiggle back and forth. Suffer. Suffer. So all together we have patient, suffer. Patient, suffer. Patient, suffer. Patient, suffer. Patient, suffer. All right, rest position, sign with me. Let's do it a few times. Patient, suffer. Patient, suffer. Okay, we just talked about the signs for patient and suffer, similar signs. Now you might have another question. Well, what about testing and review? I've seen so many YouTube videos and online courses, they teach me, but they never test me. There's no review to make sure it's sticking in my brain. Great question. All of our courses have multiple sections of testing and review, always in 2 parts, signing and understanding. Because when you get out there in the real world, you're signing like crazy, but if you can't understand what someone's signing to you, there's a breakdown in communication. So I'm going to make sure you know how to sign and understand. Right.